Abu Dhabi.
Yes, we're now.
Go back to Cebu. Woo!
Yes.
I'm ready to see my classmates. Also
Airport.
Tiger. Yeah. Ready. Woo! In Abu Dhabi. But it's gonna take us 9 hours to reach to Manila.
Yeah, that's a 5 hours.
And then after Manila, to go back to the Cebu,
Yeah, you need to wait.
we need to wait. And also, what
You
do you
reach
call
there
this?
3 o'clock and you fly by
Ba? No? This is the new airport in Abu Dhabi.
Whee! It is so fun. Because there's so many bumps. I love bumps.
Station.